Guys, today we'll be installing a light bar. Now I did have one on here. It was a 52-inch double row, but it was a little wide, a little bulky, and it was attached to the luggage rack I had on here, which I also removed. And I'm not really planning on putting it back on, but I'm not sure yet. But I want to make it stationary to this right here. So I'm going to take this front bar off, and I'm going to install some nut certs. The kit I got comes with brackets, luckily, so when I install the nut certs, I'm going to screw the light bar in from underneath so I can still use this to put luggage on top of. I'm trying to keep this as low profile as possible. The single should go under here and fit just fine. Here we are. As you can see, it's packaged really nicely. It's got power and ground. This is the light that I got. I'm not really picky when it comes to brand. I just got it because it was the size I needed. I think it's a 38-inch. I don't quite remember. I think it's a 38-inch. But it doesn't say it on here. As you can see, it comes with hardware. It's got these brackets. I'm definitely going to use those. These brackets face, I think they face out like that, but I'm going to have them face in so it looks nicer. So I'm going to go ahead and get started on that. All right, here I am heading down the rabbit hole as usual. So these nut certs, they're an M6, and they're a little too long. As you can see, this one, I started to compress it, but as you can see, it's nowhere near touching the lip. Started bubbling out on the outside. So I had to take another nut cert, shorten it just a little bit, get the push in. There we go, it's nice and perfect. I might clean up that hole a little bit just so it sits a lot nicer. But yeah, that's our hold up as of right now. So once I get that put on, the rest of it should go pretty smoothly. All right, holes are all cleaned up. Test fit it one more time before it gets too serious. Yep, love it. All right, let's go ahead and get to it. All right, light bar is officially installed. I had to get different hardware because the other screws were sticking down too low, hitting the light bar itself. It's the other side. Yeah, that's how it's gonna look on the car. So everything seems to function correctly. Everything's lining up pretty good, symmetrical on both sides. I like it. Wire goes on the left side because my wire is on the left side, so let's go ahead and get this on the car and see how it looks. All right, here it is nighttime. Let's go ahead and put it to the test. Not bad at all. Headlights. Yeah, that's perfect for what I need to do. I like it. All right, here it is the next day. Sorry, it got dark last night and I was still working on it. Yeah, it looks really good. Looks nice and streamlined. Definitely like that look better. But function over fashion, but in this case, both matters. So, got this wire, just have it run down the windshield inside this weather strip. I like to run it through the roof so you don't see this wire, but I don't feel like drilling a hole through the sheet metal. Gramps! But anyway, looks good. I'm happy with it. Just give you guys some ideas. But yeah, as always, thank you for watching.